Hi, I'm Charlie. A couple weeks ago, I realized something that I thought was a little strange. I've lived in the center of the US, the Midwest, for 22 years, and I had never seen a bald eagle. Ever. Which I thought was particularly absurd. I mean, this bird is pretty much the mascot of our country. It's everywhere. It's on coins, dollar bills, passports, junior high Letterman jackets, football team logos, ties, and all over the Postal Service. I checked out a bird guide to see where they live, and supposedly the Midwest is their hotspot. Well, if that's true, then where the heck were they? So last week, I decided to figure that out. Did some research, hit the books, looked around, and I found the answer. The Mississippi River. At least for right now anyways, because this is really what it all comes down to. Eagles eat fish. You see, normally during the summer, eagles are spread all over the Midwest, hanging out in rivers and streams, eating fish like crazy. But in the winter, there's an obvious problem. Ice. When rivers freeze over, eagles can't fish, so eagles need to find places where the water isn't frozen in order to eat. Along the Mississippi River, there are a bunch of dams and locks. Here the water is super turbulent, it mixes a lot, and unlike in other places, the water doesn't freeze there. So during the winter, hundreds and hundreds of bald eagles leave their frozen lakes and rivers to collect in these places where they can fish for all the fish they could ever want in their little eagle lives. This was perfect! Not only did I find where they were, but it was the one time of year where I could see hundreds of bald eagles in the same spot. And it wasn't that far from where I live. So I grabbed a group of friends, woke up super early, and went out to find my first bald eagle ever.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
And we've seen 61 so far. 106.
165.
187.
197. All these little things in the air. Bald eagles.
That's America right there.
Please call it out. How many?
341.
My face is really numb.
My hands are cold.
My face stinks so bad. Does it? Ah! But it's such a good shot.
Knock us down for 7 more.
547 eagles.
All right.
It's a beauty.
Call to the day. How much do we have? How many do we see?
551 eagles.
1 day, 7 hours, 551 eagles. That ain't bad. Let's go home. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Look out over the next few months for more episodes of Nature Boom Time and get excited for our series to premiere in the fall. Please like, comment, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel so you can know when our new videos come out. Thanks again for watching. You are great. Have an excellent day and we'll see you next time.